Hello everyone and welcome to our class of basic video editing with Filmora for beginners. So if you are planning to learn how to edit videos using Filmora from the beginning, then you are in the right place. If you do not have any prior experience, then it's okay, as we will go through everything to learn as we go. Now, to introduce you, let's take a look at what you will be learning from this course. So at first, you have introduction to Filmora and its interface. Then you have workspace and how to import media into your workspace and into Filmora. Then you have how to trim and split. Then I will show you how you can do transitions, then video effects, then text, then audio editing and transitions, then templates, then color lesson 1, then color lesson 2. These two lessons will be regarding color. Then you have video editing utilities. Then you have titles, and then you have stickers and draw tool. And I will also show you how you can export as well. Then after completion or after completing this course, you will be able to use Filmora for basic purposes, do basic video editing with Filmora, edit audios, make graphic edits, and then make graphic animations. Now, do keep this in mind that this is a project-based course. So at the end of all the classes, you will have a class project or multiple class projects that will enable you to actively participate in them to practice or refine what you have learned throughout the entire course. You will be provided with supporting resources, so you will be provided with supporting resources, so it will become easier to learn as we go. During learning, if you have any queries or any problems, then do feel free to ask me. I will always be available to help if needed. So let us go ahead and get started with our course.